Today I'm going to make a mini journal in under 30 minutes. I was prompted because I always forget my list. So I'm making this journal for a friend because she gave me happy mail and I want her to be happy and not forget things when she goes to the store like I do. So here we go. I'm going to make a little appointment book that you can stick in your purse. I'm going to make this for my friend because that's how I'm going to get myself out of this mood that I'm in. I don't like this mood. So I'm getting papers ready, and I think this is going to be my cover. And I've got one page ready, and I said, let me turn the camera on. I took a page out of a book, and I'm trying to keep this very simple and keep the pages all about the same and not have me do a lot of fussing with it. Now, does this happen to you? Where you just want to get going and you can't? Of course it does. I'm not the only person. Well, hopefully if you are with me, then maybe you'll get motivated to get up and do something. Sometimes not having the motivation isn't the problem. Sometimes it's having the idea. So I have an idea for that. I made myself a list. And the list isn't pretty. So I thought I should make a book, a journal, a mini journal to make lists. And then just stick it in your purse, and then you can just date it, and it'll be a good memento too. So that way when I'm not in the mood to think about what I could be doing to be productive, I can go and look at my list. So today, I didn't look at my list. I just looked at my desk, and I was getting ready to head out the door to go and get some gas. And then I said, I want to go to the post office. I want to mail something to somebody. So I have a friend who recently mailed me a little package of Happy Mail. And I think I put the link in here. So why not send her a little surprise? Maybe she'll use it, maybe she won't. Maybe she'll give it to her granddaughter, or maybe she'll give it to somebody who she thinks might be able to use it, or maybe she'll keep it because I made it for her. Who knows? I mean, sometimes we keep things, I keep things, and then all of a sudden I realize that I have no room left for anything. See, I'm just taking out of this box that I had on my desk for something else, and I said, I am going to just start using this because I don't want to get everything out when I'm doing this. I want to get to the post office before they go to lunch, and it's 12:30. No, it's 12:15, and they go to lunch at 1 o'clock. So I can't be doing this project for a long time. Now this, I think, is perfect. This is a junk journal. It's supposed to have some junk in it, right? Alright, let's see how this is gonna go. What I should do is just take this and use this so I can tear. I hope this is gonna be a blessing to her, which I'm sure it will be. So let's see what I have here. I'm going to do this in 10 minutes, and I'm not going to edit it. I'm going to do this in real time and show you how fast you can do a little project that you can give to somebody and bless somebody else. And I've got to leave some space for writing because I want this to be a thing that she can write in. And like, for example, I'm going out to go to get gas, and then I might have to stop at the grocery store and get some bread and get a few things, and if I don't have a list, then I forget what I'm going there for. So that's what I want this book to be for. So she can have some things to look at, but she can also have some spaces to write her list, to date it, write her list for errands, and then keep it in her purse, and it can be a cute little book. Instead of having, she can, you know, write her own date in there. Instead of having like one of those store-bought things. Now, let's see, what else do I have in this little box? I'm running out of things in my box, which is a good thing because I wanted to use things up. Oh, I like that. I wanted to use things up while, should I go there? No, I think this needs something. Does this need something? I'm not going to get too crazy. I'm going to keep reminding myself that. There we go. A little bit of glue. A little bit of scraps from my basket. Don't make this an all-day project, Joanne. Just make it fun. Put your 10 cents in. There. How's that? Instead of 5 cents, 10 cents. Okay, what else do we have on this desk? Alright, that needs to glue down. Usually it glues fast, but we'll give that a little glue time. This polka dot washi tape, if I can find the end, is always a good choice. Just to add some specialness to a page. How about this over here? Just get a little color on it. This little paper that will be tossed in the garbage is now part of a cute little journal. Oh, what did I just drop? Alright. And I'm not worrying about, look at this too. What do we have over here? Oh, my 2 cents. Look at that. Put in my 2 cents right there. I think that was my inker, whatever this thing's called. Okay, now that I gave myself a time limit, I'm gonna have to change it because I want this to be fun. If you put stress on yourself, which sometimes I do, when I'm just trying to have a little fun, then the fun's not there anymore. Okay, I like this. Where can I put this? Can I use this to put it in? Let's see. Let's see if this will work. Just using things that are on my desk. How about right out here? I'm just poking it. I'm just going for it. There we go. How does that look? That looks okay. Now this needs a little something on it. I'm gonna put one of these little notes on here because she gave them to me. And let's see what else I have. I have some of this washi tape. That's pretty. I think that was, yeah, that was from Daphne's journal. Daphne's, I want to say Daphne's journal every time, but it's not right. It's Daphne's diary. Alright, let's see. I have to remember she's going to need some place to write, so I'm going to get, let's see, I'm just going to go and get some coffee dyed or tea dyed paper. I found this. Let me see what this will look like. My desk is starting to fill up with stuff. That's what happens when I start creating. I don't know about you. I am a messy crafter. I got a little mountain here, which I don't like mountains, so that's that. Let's give this a little extra something there. There goes my little text message thingy. Okay. Yeah, a little color. And it's not going to be for the whole year, so I have to keep this in mind. This is on my desk. I can use this. Oh, I hope she likes this. She will. She likes creative things. Out of the box kind of things. Her house has got some nice stuff in it like that. Okay, there's that. And I got this. And I don't know what this music says, but oops, where is it? We'll put that in there somewhere. How about right here? Okay, what am I at? 13 minutes. I think I will. Do I want one more thing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm gonna get up and go get a coffee dyed paper. I'm gonna take this over to the sewing machine and do a quick sew. I'll see if I have enough room, because while I had the camera off and I was gathering up things, I started stuffing things into the journal. So I don't know if I'm going to have room left. I'll see. I'll see if I can put this in the journal or not, if I can't. We will see. Because it is now, oh dear, now it is, I didn't even look at the clock until just now, but it is 12:35. So I have to move. I have to move fast. Okay. Is this gonna go in there? I like that yellow, and I did make this with some, oh, what do you call those inks? I'm gonna leave it just like that, poking out. And I'm not going to do any more fussing. I really want this in here because we both love, oh, I want to ink it where it is. Where it is. Listen, when I get nervous, then I start not making sense. Who knows if I make sense anyways, but oh, I wasn't going to show this part, all the inking, because sometimes inking is kind of like watching paint dry for some people, although I don't mind it. Okay, that's done. Put the cover on there real quick so the ink doesn't dry out. And I'm not going to put anything on here because I want her to be able to do that. And the lighting is what it is, because I have one light on. Actually, I have my overhead light on, and I don't want to have all that bright light, and I have to attach it to my phone, and it's all these reasons why I'm not doing it. So I'm hoping that you enjoy the soft light as you watch this video. And this video is just to get me going and to hopefully get you going if you're watching, to you can make something. If I haven't even done this in forever. Okay, where do I want this to come out? I want that on the outside, so I'm going to come in here. You can make something for somebody really quick, or you can make it for yourself, but I just think it's sometimes, most of the time, it's so much better giving something. I love receiving things, but there's such a blessing in giving. So when you're feeling gloomy and then you just turn that around and make something for somebody, or give somebody a letter. I need more pen pals. That's what I need. I love the old-fashioned getting it in the mailbox, because we get so much stuff in the mail that, you know, it's junk, and it's not always junk that you can put in your junk journal. So why not go to the mailbox and find something really special? That's what I did last week. So now I am going to do it to her. There we go. Let's do a quick flip. Okay, this isn't supposed to be in there. Her husband's name is Peter. There. And I gotta go because it's now no it's not, it is 12:40, and I want to make that meal.